How to fix your 2% mental battery. Stop trading your best hours for a capped salary. Most professionals look successful on paper, but they are completely bankrupt on time. You can't build your dream asset after a long shift, not when you are running on a 2% mental battery. I know the feeling. I spent 20 years as an electrician wiring structures I didn't own. Then, I changed the schematic. I realized true freedom doesn't come from more manual hustle. It runs on automation, in total silence. So I built a private sanctuary. It's called the Chillstar 08 Inner Circle. It is a clean grid for people ready to architect an exit strategy. When you plug in, you don't get homework, you get instant assets. You unlock the 7-day faceless launchpad blueprints for free. Stop overthinking. Click the link in my bio or description to grab your seat at the table. Or comment the word voltage below, and I will personally send you the link to plug in.